Bitawan mo lang yan.
Okay, bitawan mo na lang. Or better yet.
Ay, hala.
Taling mo na. Ito. Suot mo muna. Tapos bigyan mo sa akin. Okay. So usually kasi, alam niyo dogs naman, they don't really forget faces too much. Pero, ang problema kasi kay Ginger, kaya ako nare-recommend dati na parang we want to see Ginger na at least when you're out, no? Kahit pasundo na lang. Kasi, mataas nga talaga yung anxiety niya pag hindi familiar yung tao. Yun lang naman ang problema niya eh. Yun lang nag-iisa. So, hayaan ko lang muna na ma-remind siya.
Good girl.
They don't forget the sense naman. Pero yung nga lang, nangyari kasi, oh, meron tao, there's a guy. Normally, wala naman lalaki dito. What's going on? Diba? So, pati yung driver, I understand, hindi na pupunta dito, diba? So,
namatay na yung driver.
What?
Si Eddie died.
What?
He died.
40-year driver.
Oh no!
Yeah, he was carrying a glass door and it hit his arm.
Oh shit!
He bled to death.
Bled to death.
Oh shit!
Grabe, 40 years of service
may
yun.
ibang katahulan to. Yung gardener namin.
Basic, mga male, no?
Nalungkot ako sa driver niyo.
Siya yung naghahatid dati kay Jen.
Freak accident.
Nakita niya
Yeah.
po yung ayun, kasabay niya. Kasi si ano.
Nakamotor ba siya yun?
Hindi, si ano yun, si Boji yun. Yun yung nag-deliver ng gifts.
Okay. Oh my God.
Ay, kilala niya pala si Boj.
Scary. Scary naman yun.
Oo, ingat tayo sa glass.
Ano yung ano niya? Namahilig kasi mag-collect ng excess sa bahay. So, there was a broken glass. Fell also on him and it slices.
Sa house niya.
Yeah, at night. When he was about to leave na. He was about to pick up his daughter.
Scary.
So, yun.
Why would you have a glass? Anyway.
I don't know why he wanted to bring that.
He wanted to reuse it.
Yeah, glass is very dangerous. It needs special handling. Anyway.
And quiet na siya.
Okay, kaya naman siya nag-quiet ngayon kasi Ginger probably remembers na din yung training, no, na ano yan eh, when we put you on a leash, diba, be quiet. Actually, yun ang yun yung isang, hindi ko naman sinasabi lagi siya natin dito, pero when you expect a guest coming in, para ma-stop lang siya, suot niya na siya kanya yung leash niya. Dapat ibang leash na from walk, ha?
I know, she has that one. She has
This is, saan?
You gave her...
Dito, ganito.
Yes.
Oh, nasan?
So, kasi normally naman she's okay. Like, meron, like, our maintenance guy, when he's often here naman, okay lang siya. She'll just bark a little bit. But after that, okay na siya. Susundan lang niya, amoy niya, tapos wala, amuhin lang nila.
Mas maganda pa rin para masanay na siya. Masanay siya, okay lang yun na maging curious. Pero hindi na natin na-spark. Diba? Kumbaga, parang it's lighter fluid. It's like a lighter na automatic spark na. Tapos, mo lang, normal lang naman yan eh. Diba? So, I would rather not spark it in the first place. So, putting a leash, diba? But probably, it's like putting a cap on that lighter fluid na.
Okay.
Na parang, tigil na, diba? Yeah. So, if it's right from the start, maswerte siya kung tumitigil siya over time. Pero sa akin, again, being a dog trainer, I do not tolerate it. I do not have the patience for dogs barking non-stop. Kahit sabihin mo, maikli naman yung bark niya eh. I still don't have the patience kasi right from the start, it's still a behavior that is undesirable. If you can put a cork in it para hindi na mag-progress, mas maganda na. Okay? Ayan, so ngayon, submissive na siya. Kasi when we put the leash on, nagkakaroon na siya kagad. Meron na siyang, because she already received hours of training with me, di ba? For her lifetime. So, anong nangyari ngayon, she understand na, oh no, I'm back on the leash. So, sige na, I'll keep quiet. I know how this works. Diba?
So,
So,
kung
it's
may
very
guest
important.
din.
Pag meron lang guest, first few minutes lang. And then, mind you, look. So, tatanggalin ko na yung leash.
Okay.
Kasi, she calmed down already.
Mm.
And then, off you go. So,
Pag sa
umpisa
window
lang.
naman, coach, paano?
Yung sa window, again, it's the same thing. Kasi,
Miss pa rin siya.
kaya siya, kasi kailangan lang muna, masanay muna siya doon sa, well, unang-una, that alam niya na meron possible consequence. Let me relate that to current trends right now. Hello. Okay?
That's our social butterfly journey.
Hello, good boy.
You don't have a problem at all.
Pero barky
Diba?
din siya.
Hello.
Barky din siya when he's at the
Say hi,
Hello.
puppy crate.
Hello.
Oh, sus. Good boy.
Good job. Hey, you're even tilting your head. You're very curious.
Yeah.
Okay.
Super cute.
So, yun doon sa window, unang-una meron siyang opportunity pumunta doon. So,
Yes.
it becomes a cycle. I'm gonna watch over the window. Alam ko anong oras dumadaan yung mga bata. Alam ko anong oras uwian ng neighborhood. That's my job.
Seems like it. Alam niya na yung
Okay?
schedule nila.
I know when the guards are gonna roam. Diba? And then the noises, kabisado ko na yan. Okay? And it's my job to bark because I think it's my job to let the people know that I'm here and then I want them to stay away. Okay.
Logic. Ayan eh.
Bantay talaga. Okay, so what do we do next? If you put the leash on, unang-una, something's gonna be off. Psychologically, kasi alam niya na kagad yung consequences. There's a possible consequence. Okay, tumahol siya ganon. Anybody in the home, sabi mo, ay, Ginger, bumaba ka dyan. It's just gonna keep barking, baba. Pero, ayaw nyo kasi yung bubuhatin siya. Kasi minsan nakakatakot pag, parang meron konting hesitation. Alam ko, it's your dog, it's safe naman para sa'yo. Pero, minsan, it becomes rewarding pa eh. Kasi kung ginagawa nyo na yun dati, tapos paulit-ulit yung behavior niya, it becomes part of the cycle. Na it becomes part of the game. Na you're gonna pick me up anyway. Tapos, when you put me down, I'm just gonna go back. Okay, when we put the leash on, di ba? Hali ka dito, bumaba ka dyan. Baba. Okay. Babalik siya ulit. Hawakan mo lang yung tali. Diba? I told you to stop it. Sabi niya, okay. Tapos susubukan niya ulit, hawakan niyo lang yung tali. Until nasanay na siya yung regular routine niya na stop. Okay? Sa ngayon, hindi pa ako masyado komportable doon sa NCAP, so hindi mo na ako dumadaan ng EDSA. Diba? Pero, I've been seeing the post.
Right.
Okay? Na parang, marami din nagre-reklamo na nakamotor usually. Most of them na nga nakamotor. Bakit? Kasi parang yun lang yung naging routine nila ng serve ako.
Right.
Eh ngayon, we're putting a leash on, magre-reklamo talaga sila.
Right.
Diba? Pero you're seeing the effect. That's how we put the leash on with humans. Now with the dogs, we cannot talk them out. Eh parang, yung mga riders minsan, you can talk to them, please huwag na kayo magsingi. Dito nga lang, dito sa may Valle Verde pa lang. Amazing, konting space lang between the car. Ideally, di ba, if you're trained in the US or any part of the world, one car at least apart, kahit na-stop, at least half a car. Meron sila nakitang konti, oh. Nagulat ako kanina, and I was going straight, papunta ng Laluza, di ba? Merong bus. Nandito yung motor. Tapos nag-go na. Akala ko, didiretso lang, kasabay ko. Kasi nag-cut sila sa harapan ko, eh.
Yeah.
Gumanon yun, ano. Sabi ko, blind side, meron ng murder na naman na naghihintay. Kasalanan ng bus driver. So, yun, kumbaga, they don't know probably, di ba? They're ignorant. So, for dogs, sometimes they know the rule. They're not that ignorant. It's just that they're testing the enforcement. Or minsan, they just really don't know. They're kids, like 2-year-old. Just, sabi nga, whenever I look at any dogs, like my 2-year-old daughter. No, parang sabi ko, ang kulit mo eh. Sabi ko, no, we don't play with the water fountain or we don't play with ice. Di ba? Okay, akit siya dun sa table, uupo siya dun sa table. No, please go down. Pero sabi ko, okay, buti na lang ang bata, it's a phase. They outgrow that. Dogs, they remain toddlers forever for the next 10, 14 years of their life. Diba? So, sayang. Kung tutusin, hindi naman sayang. Pero, maganda na kasi yung baseline ni Ginger.
Okay.
Okay? So far, yun lang na very minor tweaks. Alam niyo, magbabago lang talaga. Just totally sure.
Do we do the same for both dogs when they're
Okay.
playing?
Alright.
Because they sometimes kasi, this one's young. He's a puppy. This one's older. And she's already snipped or sad.
Di ko man manalalo.
So, she has yung patience niya sometimes, kaya mo play, pero may time lang siya, and this one likes to play all the time. And we want them to exist in the same room without this na.
Kasi, I want Charlie to learn like cues na pag ate wants to stop, he needs to back down. But si Ginger kasi, para minsan unpredictable, she sometimes bites, she snarls.
Okay.
How do we stop it from reaching that point?
It's gonna be a phase as of now. Kasi how young is
He's 7 months.
Charlie?
Charlie 7
Yeah, 7 months. Okay. At 7 months, it's still a teenager. Okay. Nasa mind niya lang is, I just wanna play. I just wanna play. Play. I wanna try to explore the world and find something. I want to try to run, push my boundaries. I'm trying to discover everything. Imagine a child na first time niyang maglaro sa Kidzuna. Okay, yung first time maglaro yung baby ko sa Kidzuna, she went all out. She went all out. Pero the more I bring her, nandun pa din naman yung happiness niya. Because I let her off and I do not helicopter parent. Nasa malayo talaga ako, bantay lang. Okay, minsan very interactive pa kung kailangan. Okay? Pero, so, kung ganun yan, kung parang 2-year-old to, hayaan mo munang may-explore niya. Pero, will she, it's a he, right? He. Will he outgrow it? Yes, kasi it's also a phase. Pero, ang tanong nun is, do you have that time and to wait for him to outgrow that? Normally, when the dog grows older, they calm down a little bit. Pero with Charlie, ang susunod is Ginger stayed with me for a few days. Did she
she
take care?
stayed with me for like a month.
Oh, yung month, diba? Yung program.
Yeah, yung program siya.
Here's the difference. Now, Ginger has a good foundation. Si Charlie, wala. Ginger had a chance, at least yung ganitong age. Yung formative.
Mas pinasok ko na siya as soon as I got
Kaya nga
her.
mas bata pa.
Kasi nagwiwi siya everywhere talaga. Tapos she was biting on furniture. Well, this one, he doesn't bite furniture. He just stays with the pad.
Normal lang din.
Whatever,
Pero, ang sinasabi kong foundation na wala kay Charlie is, I wanna play, I wanna run, and I only have one dog to play with, which is masungit pa. Pero normal lang din. Normal lang din na masungit. Kasi, in our age, do you still wanna play with toddlers? Unless it's your own kid, your own pamangkin.
Not even.
O, di ba? Kahit nga minsan.
No.
Minsan nga, ang hirap na nga eh. Di ba? So, parang kunwari, I'm gonna play with you. Pero, oh my God. Minsan, Irene would tap out. Sabi niya, hand. Tap out. Ikaw naman. Di ba? So, okay, sige, ako naman. Di ba? So, kumbaga, it's like having a toddler at home who wants to play and interact and learn about the world. Pero, minsan hindi talaga tayo makasabay. Si Ginger, di rin niya kaya. Kasi iba ang interaction ng puppy to puppy.
Yes.
Same way na toddler to toddler playing, it's a different world. Diba? Do you like playing with your friends? Gusto mo ba may kalaro ka? Na bata?
Actually,
Kaya nga.
Place for the doggies.
Diba? Pero,
dito.
mas masaya bang kalaro ang mama mo o yung mga friends mo? Alam natin yung sagot doon. Diba? So, ganun din sa kanya. Ang problema, stuck siya dito.
Yes.
With Ginger na, Ate Ginger, maglaro tayo. Ayoko. Pwede ba lubayan mo ako kung nagsasalita lang sila eh? Lubayan mo ako. Magagalit pa siyang gano'n. Doon ka! Siyempre ito, minsan ganyan.
Dati nakatakas pa siya pababa. Eh ngayon marunong siya pababa.
Hinahabol na niya.
Hinahabol na niya. So sometimes parang, what do I do?
Ayun. So, ang marirecommend ko kasi is, sa kanya ngayon, si Charlie, natututunan niya lahat ng interaction ngayon with just one dog. Iba yun sa inyo. Iba yung learning niya, interacting with humans, which is, I can see, walang problema. Pero iba naman din, pag sila lang. Ibabag talaga siya. And then, here's another thing. It would appear Ginger is failing in trying to teach the right behavior. Bakit? Nag-give up na siya eh.
Nagalit na siya.
Galit na siya. Tsaka minsan, kahit na magalit na siya, wala na siyang pakialam. Wala ka na nga. Okay? So, it's not enough na meron lang siyang Charlie's learning it from one person. It's like having, well, marunong naman yung baby ko makipag-interact with people. Really? With whom? With us. Di ba? Nung 2023, most of my staff were ladies. Di ba? Pag may bibisita na tito niya or any guest na lalaki, iyak. Ayaw pabitaw. Ngayon medyo okay na eh kasi I've trained her eh. Always being out, no, being sociable. Nagsimula na siya mag-play school at 6 months. So kumbaga basically she's going to school for 1.5 years now.
Oh, that's nice.
Diba? Ang dinadala talaga namin we're in Lipa now pero we still go to Muntinlupa once a week. Bakit? We spend 2 hours in play school para masanay siya with people. Okay? And I'm doing that for my daughter. Kasi sabi ko, ayoko namang sabihin na parang ko-compare mo na naman, gagalit yung magulang ko. Ko-compare mo na naman yung anak mo yung sa mga aso. Sabi ko, it's the same way that you're raising them. Diba? Of course, my daughter will outgrow and outwit a dog when she's more than 2 years old. That's just normal biology. Pero for the dogs, they remain 2-year-olds forever. Tapos wala pang ganong klaseng interaction. So, kaya mangyayari niyan, ang natututunan niya kay Ate Ginger, gusto mong kasama ako? Halika dito. Tahol tayo doon. Diba? Yun ang ginagawa. Ako magsimula, sumunod ka. Okay, Ate Ginger. Diba? Kasi yun ang natutunan niya.
I bring him out naman. Kaya yung friends ko may dogs din. Nagpa-play date kami, ganyan.
That's good. That's good.
That's enough naman. Like, at least he's learning.
I can't say if it's gonna be enough kasi each dog is different. Try to observe. Tapos, are the dogs that he is interacting with are also trained. Kasi si Ginger grew up with trained dogs na parang, I should not be here. I keep quiet. Pag sinabahan
this one is trained. Yung si Jiffy, her boyfriend.
Aggressive yun, diba? Aggressive siya, diba?
Yung si Jiffy? No, he just like specific, like, gusto lang na si Ginger kalaro.
Pero inaaway na si Charlie.
Kasi
not a good fit.
Yeah.
Not a good fit.
Hindi na type si Charlie. So parang, sa kanya kasi, one-on-one yung training. So, compared to her, she was sent to you, madami sila. So her adjustment with Barkhouse is not, hindi siya nakikipag-away doon. Moody lang siya, she'll growl a little bit, but she won't start yapping. Ganun lang. Pero sabi naman nila, okay lang naman si Ginger, may mood lang siya. Ganun naman talaga. Older dog.
Older dog talaga.
As long as she's kept quiet down in the corner, she's safe.
Katalasan ang mga kasundo nito is yung mga parang how old is Ginger now?
She's 3.
So ang mood na talaga ni Ginger is kumbaga ito yun sa kanya ngayon kasi when they are puppies, they are dog social. Meaning all dogs I want to be friends. As they grow older, 1 year for small dog breeds, okay, they become dog tolerant. I will tolerate all dogs. Okay? Pero as they grow a little bit older, they become dog selective. And usually, when the dog grows older, they become just really selective or tolerant na lang. They're not social anymore.
Kaya si Jiffy is
super
Jiffy
selective.
matanda na si Jiffy, parang 5 na si Jiffy.
Very selective na lang siya. Tapos, meron mga ibang aso na until they grow old, they're still very social. Those are a subset. Okay.
Hindi mas bata si Ginger.
Ayan. So, ano marirecommend ko kay Charlie? Hindi enough yun, you just see one friend or one dog na trained. Again, that's just one. Diba? So, no matter how much I bring my daughter to ride the SM train, as in, para requirement na yun no? Train! Choo-choo! Maganon siya. Okay? The reason that I'm throwing money, sige, sakay na tayo 100 pesos, isang ikot ng SM. Bakit? Kasi yung core memory niya, kumbaga yung association niya na it's positive to be with other people. It's okay to wait a little bit before we leave, di ba? So those are really small lessons, and which I call life lessons para sa bata. Sa aso, there's also the life lessons. Katulad ngayon, I went in here, di ba? I dealt with the barking dog, which is Ginger, tumahimik na ngayon. Tapos nung nakita niya ngayon, pagalitan si Ate Ginger. You know what? I'm just gonna keep quiet.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero, notice hindi ko rin siya pinansin. I did that. Oh, hello. Pero no touch. Unang-una, I do not appreciate people feeling close with dogs again.
Oh, yeah. I don't even ask to pet a dog.
You can observe. Diba? The same way na parang if I saw a really cute kid, hi, what's your name? Tapos I'll ask the grown-up, yeah, how old is he? Diba? You have a beautiful daughter. She's so cute. Wow! Guwapo ng anak nyo. I appreciate. Pero you never touch.
Yes.
Diba? That's being a creep. At saka, I would never want my daughter to be touched by anybody.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero minsan, diba? Minsan, hindi mo rin natin masabi sa mga relatives na, don't kiss the baby.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi, alam mo anak ko newborn. Please don't. Diba? Okay.
Germs.
Protection, diba? Pero for dogs din naman kasi, we don't want them to be grabbed by somebody na hindi sila yung mismong lumapit. Bakit? Kasi that can be traumatizing for the dog na they're tolerating, pero I do not appreciate that. When I'm bigger, I'm gonna bite you. Diba? So, like Michelle D got bitten in the face. Ibabalita ko mamaya sa radio station namin. You can listen to me later at 6 to 8 p.m. No? Magic 89.9. So, kumbaga, yung tolerance niya na ini-ignore lang tayo, it's great. Pag dumating yung mga client o mga visitors, friends and family, ang gagawin niya lang, oh, people. Okay, I'm gonna go away now. Diba? Now, it's different if the dog is happy na parang, oh, hello, can you pet me?
Yeah.
Sila yung lumapit?
Medyo ganun siya.
All the better.
Okay.
All the better. Pero, mind you, you have to tell guests, wait for Charlie to come to you.
Yeah.
Hindi pwede ikaw yung nalapit dun sa dog. Kaya maraming nakakagat. O kaya nagkakaroon ng trauma yung mga young puppies. When they grow up, sabihin nila gano'n, I don't like people, mama.
Yeah.
Diba? So, si Ginger, mabait naman talaga to kahit sa amin. Ano? So, yung barking lang niya is, sabi ko nga, suot niya talaga yung tali. Tapos ano din yung marirecommend ko kay Charlie, do you wanna come to me? Do you wanna come to me? Come here. See, kung gusto niya lumapit kasi sa akin, lalapit siya. I cannot just go ahead and grab. I'm not saying that I need to ask permission. Okay? Pero, I need to be gentle about it.
What's that?
Diba? So, testin natin kung sanay siya dun sa leash, no? Sanay naman siya sa leash. So, okay lang yan. So, I will try to and let her sniff me. I'll let him sniff. Lalaki pala. You're so cute kasi mukha kang girl.
Yeah.
Diba? Pag sobrang cute, parang girl ang association natin. You're cute.
Okay, charming yun
Charmer.
Okay, there you go. So now, sa ngayon, see how I'm doing this? Kasi that's body language for the dog na I respect you. No?
Away.
Away. Away. So sniff mo ako, that's fine. Pero you never go face to face with the dog. Diba? Tapos, pansinin nyo nga rin, nasanay na lang ako, nakahawak na ako dun sa collar. Para just in case na gusto niya akong i-lick, o gusto niya magalit siya, protection ako agad. Kasi face is the most vulnerable part of our body.
course.
Yan pa yung pansin ka agad, no? Especially for a beauty queen na
Medyo
Michelle.
hindi na gatos.
Diba? So, hindi ko pa nakita yung sugat niya. Pero anyway, safety lang ako palagi, even if it's with my own dog. No? So, ngayon, hawak-hawak ko na siya. I can now try to do a little bit of petting. Tino-tolerate niya na lang. Okay? Kasi kita niyo yung stress siya, bakit nakasarado yung bibig niya. Kung relax si Charlie, ganyan. Sige, pet me more. Diba? So, kaya nga minsan, binabantayan ko din ng mga ibang groomers minsan kung may stress na. Kasi minsan they just do that, na parang, okay, let's just get this over with. Pero sa akin kasi, yung pati yung grooming, very important, part of the routine. Okay, so ito, I'm just trying to make a positive association. Parang, ito, yung circular motion doon sa earphones yung ganyan.
Massage.
Diba? Parang massage, gusto nila yan. Diba? So, ito yan. This is already husbandry. Diba? Sanayin na you need to clip your nails.
He is a groomer.
Kailangan yung haircut.
Natapos na si
kailangan na.
Ayan
Meron ng sharp edge patubo na. So, that's good. Just keep it. Pero ang pinaka-effective kasi na pang-trim ng nails is the regular walks lang. Kasi especially kung pavement, yun yung pinaka, mag-file ng nails nila. Okay? So, katulad din yan, very obvious na, hindi siya sanay. Pero dapat masanay siya with other trained dogs. At saka ilabas niya yung kulit niya. Makipaglaro siya. He doesn't need to depende kung gusto niyo padala sa amin Meron naman kaming shuttle dito sa may estancia.
Pero okay kasi si Ginger kasi kayo ng potty.
Kamusta yung potty train niya ngayon?
Okay siya. Except pag nag-mix silang dalawa, minsan siya nawawala ng tita because they both eat it. Gumagaya naman ito.
Ginagaya niya ito nilalaro niya.
So,
talaga.
nagkaka-accident siya.
Pero like...
Leave it.
Sumbong sa gaya.
Hawakan niya.
Yan, wag mo
Hawakan.
So, katulad no, consequences.
Leash ka ngayon.
Leash ka. Kahit na bitawan lang natin. Ayan. Okay lang yan.
Mahawakan niya. Price yung kamay mo.
Yung kamay mo is the most important thing in the world. Kasi yan ang bibigyan ng reward.
Baby kasi yan ni Yaya. Bunso, ito. Dalawa yan ang bunso.
Yan pala yung bunso.
Mas pakakainin na to kesa dyan.
Baka mas hinahanap mo pa si Ginger, ha?
Pag weekend, kinakamusta na si Ginger. Kasi kami lang pag Sunday. Balik siya Monday. Ma'am, kamusta na si Ginger? Kumain naman ng breakfast.
parang ikaw yung magre-report.
Basta ka na.
Diba?
Mahalo pa rin siya kumain. Mapili pa rin.
Mapili pa din despite the neutering.
Yes.
Spaying pala, spaying?
Yeah. Despite changing the kibble, we're changing the kibble to back to Royal Canin. Kasi nag-bear siya for a while. Nagsawa na siya. So okay si Royal Canin for now.
Okay lang naman. Maganda nga yung sinacycle niya. Rotate nyo. Alam niyo, iba na yung trend ngayon ang trend ngayon, it's not just the kibble anymore. Meron na yung fresh food or cooked food.
But it's going to give her fresh food because it might not be sustainable. Like when she goes to sa inyo, dati prepare niyo pa or like sa barhouse. Prepare pa yun. Ito matahasan naman na.
Bata pa siya, okay siya. Pero when you siguro when she's more senior, mga 5 years from now, saka mo na siya i-shift to less kibble, more fresh food for pampahaba ng buhay. So, ganun lang din, parang tao lang din. Parang kung dati inom ka ng inom, dati beer, ngayon whiskey na lang. Pa-wine na lang. Healthier. Wala na rin wine, bawal na.
Wala na, kasi from pre-diabetic and na diabetic.
That's why you look like you lost weight.
I'm now seeing, I lost weight because Yeah, I have diabetes. So now the doctor is starting to maintain.
Yeah.
So I'm seeing a cardiologist also.
Wow.
An eye doctor. Kasi daw lahat ng dikit-dikit.
Oo nga, I had a mentor dati. She had a complication because of diabetes.
Yeah.
Eventually, she died out of